that has different denominators because typically that's what we have the most difficulty with. But it's a lot like yesterday's lesson. So let's take a look. It says find 8 and 5/6 minus 2 and 1/3, then write it in simplest form. So I'm going to write it vertically. I put 8 and 5/6 minus 2 and 1/3. I notice right off the bat that the denominators don't match, you guys. Uh-oh. We got to look at our multiplication chart. We could also do prime factorization to find the LCD, but it's quick to do it with your multiplication chart. Here I wrote it down. So I have 6 as a denominator, and I have 3 as a denominator. I'm going to start listing some of them. So for my 6's, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. I do a couple, remember, then I do a couple on the other side. 3 times 1 is 3. Is there a match? Nope. Then I keep going. 3 times 2 is 6. Is there a match? Ooh, there is. I want the lowest one. We're going to switch this to be 6. So now we're going to do our old fractions into new fractions with the denominator of 6. So we're going to go ahead and right off the bat, we're going to put 6 as a new denominator. I'm going to put, for this one, also is going to be 6. Now, I notice over here that I already have a 6 as a denominator. So literally, I just slide this whole thing over because I don't have to change anything. It's already a 6. Now, let's take a look here. That is not a 6, it's a 3. I need to change 3 into 6. Well, what did they multiply 3 by to get 6? 3 times, I hear it, 2. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top, the numerator. Now I'm going to ask myself, what is 1 times 2? That's right, 2. Slide that whole number over here and bring the operation symbol over to the other side. Now that I have matching denominators, 6, now I can go ahead and subtract. Let's go for it. Let's do numerators first. 5 minus 2 is what, kids? 3. You are right. The denominator stays the same. After all, we did spend all this time trying to find it. We're not about to change it. Now let's go ahead and move over. We're going to subtract the whole number. 8 minus 2 is 6. Correct. Last step, step 4, I believe, is to simplify. So we're going to go ahead and simplify 3, 6. Don't forget to make your trees if you're not 100% sure. Most of you guys probably remember this from the other time. So we're going to factor this out, but we can't here because 3 is a prime. Circle. Now we're going to factor out 6 because that is not a prime. And you could already see it. Your match is going to be 3. Yes, 3. 3 is the match. So we're going to divide this by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Slide the whole number right here. And our final answer, you guys, is 6 1/2 simplified.